Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix speech services by Google notification won't go away, or how to stop speech services by Google update. The first thing that you're going to need to do is go into your Play Store. Once in Play Store, you're going to search for speech services by Google, and you're going to tap on uninstall. After you have uninstalled speech services by Google, you're going to tap on update. And after it is finished updating, you're going to go into settings. Just give it a few seconds to update. You can see it's updating. Once it has been updated and installed, we'll go into settings. Can go into settings now. And once in settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select apps. And from here, you're going to search for speech services. And you're going to tap on it. After you have selected it, you're going to tap on notifications right at the top. And you're going to turn off show notifications. After you have turned off show notifications, you're going to scroll down and you're going to select force stop in the bottom right hand corner. Then you'll tap on OK. And that's it. You'll now turn off and turn on your device. You'll restart your device and it should be working as new. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you.